Once you've received your new decal, it's time to apply it. We do not offer application services, nor do we weed and mask your product. But we are going to walk you through the process so you can see how it's done and how easy it is to apply your new sticker. Weeding is a cut vinyl term which simply means removing any excess vinyl not being applied to your surface. You'll need to remove the vinyl surrounding your design on the paper backing. Once your printed design is the only vinyl on the paper backing, you will need to mask it. You will use application tape, a flat surface, and a squeegee to apply it. First, make sure your design is printed side up on your surface. Pull the application tape past the design to adhere it to the surface beyond your vinyl decal. Keeping the tape taut, you will then squeegee the tape down over your decal. This process, for smaller designs, is relatively simple but may take a bit of practice. Once the decal is completely covered by application tape, simply cut around the edge of the paper backing. You can apply your decal to most flat surfaces. Textured walls are not recommended. Before applying, clean and dry your surface thoroughly. Dust particles or any debris will affect the quality of the application. When applying your vinyl, first, secure the decal to your surface with small pieces of masking tape. Once your decal is level, add masking tape through the center. For most designs, it's best to secure horizontally in the center and apply from left to right or right to left. For larger designs, you may also secure vertically across the center and apply from top to bottom. Once your decal is secure in the center, fold one side over the center, peel the backing off, and cut across to remove it. Then, squeegee from your center tape out. Once the first side is secure, do the same on the other side. Once your decal is completely applied to your surface, slowly and carefully remove the application tape from your printed design. When removing the application tape, be sure to pull down and close to the surface. Do not pull out and away, as this tends to lift the vinyl from the surface. If your decal pulls away from the wall while removing the mask, simply smooth it back down and squeegee a little more to secure it. Keep pulling until the mask pulls free from the wall. And it's as easy as that. Thanks for watching, and good luck applying your new vinyl decal. Firesprint.com does not offer weeding, masking, or application services. This video is for instructional purposes only and is not meant to represent services we provide to our customers. Vinyl decal application is the sole responsibility of the end user of the product.